Hello, and I hope you're doing well. On this video, we're going to take a look at this Milwaukee M18 compact brushless 1/2 hammer drill driver kit. And it looks like this, so we're going to unbox it so we can take a look at it further. And this is what's inside. It's a contractor's bag, so it's pretty cool. It's well made. It has a couple of handles here, so you can go ahead and carry this around and put your tool away. And of course you have a zipper right here. Let's open it up, and there it has some wiring right here, so it stays open. It doesn't close any other way. So if I want to open it, close it there. So let's get the stuff out of here. So inside the contractor's bag you have a few things. You have the M18 or M12 charger. You have a couple of CP2 batteries, M18s, and they look great. They're slim, they're lightweight, and I like that it has this button right here. It needs to be charged. Let's check this one out. It needs to be charged too. I just got them, so I need to charge them both. And finally, you have the hammer drill driver. It feels really nice and comfortable. Here you have a couple of settings, the hammer drill and the driver, so you can switch from one to the other if you want. And I like that it's less than 6 inches, so it's compact. And from here to here it's about 8 inches. Let's put the battery on. So it's about 9 inches, and as you can see, it has a really nice light right here. If I soft press here, the light turns on. So we don't have the light over here anymore, it's here. So it's pretty good because this actually it's on an angle, so it shoots right where you need the light. There. Very helpful. I like that. To take off the battery, squeeze both sides, pull the battery out. To charge it, you have this that you can go ahead and put it here. Then you can go ahead and charge it, and you can charge another battery at the same time if you want. So that's pretty cool. So you have that. The peak torque is 550 pounds, so that's really strong. He has 550 to 1,700 RPMs, 25,500 BPM, and he does have a half metal chuck, and he weighs about 3.2 pounds. So it's really nice and light. It has a brushless motor. So you have 1 and 2, and then you have this from 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way to 12, and then it slides to drill, hammer, and you also have a lock, so you can put this in the middle, and it doesn't move from here. Here it does, as well as on the other side. You can use the left hand, right-handed, so that's really nice. And you can also use the batteries for over 300 tools that you can find from Milwaukee. And if you are watching this video, it's because you probably already own a Milwaukee tool. So this is what it looks like. It feels pretty good. This is what it comes with, including the bag to put your tool in. To charge your battery, all you have to do is put it here, and you have a few indicators right here to let you know that it's charging, when it's fully charged, when the battery is damaged, so on and so forth. So if I'm putting the battery in here, so let's put it here. See, I didn't put the battery right, so let me go ahead and push it all the way in. There, now it's charging. So when it's fully charged, this will turn to just solid green. And right now I can tell that it's charging. You have 2 little dots, and it'll go all the way to 4. I hope this video helps you in any way. Thank you for watching and enjoy.